Imagine this: a young boy who couldn't always keep his books straight in school grows up to change the way humanity understands the universe. What if I told you that despite being trapped in a body ravaged by disease, he unlocked secrets of black holes and rewrote the laws of space and time? This is the story of Stephen Hawking, a mind so brilliant it shone brighter than the stars he studied. Stick around as we dive deep into the incredible life, groundbreaking theories, and enduring legacy of one of the greatest scientific minds of all time. Stephen Hawking was born on January 8, 1942 in Oxford, England, a date that coincided with the 300th anniversary of Galileo's death. Perhaps it was destiny. Though his family wasn't wealthy, they valued education immensely. Picture this: the Hawking household was quirky. Their dinner table often resembled a library, with everyone deeply immersed in books. Stephen's early school years were, well, let's say, unremarkable. His peers even nicknamed him Einstein as a joke because his grades were average. But Hawking was curious, observant, and he excelled at asking questions, the kind that made teachers pause and reconsider their answers. It wasn't until his teenage years that his love for mathematics and physics truly blossomed. However, a lack of advanced math courses at his high school meant Stephen had to teach himself a glimpse of the tenacity he would later display. Fast forward to 1959. At just 17, Stephen earned a scholarship to the University of Oxford. But here's a twist. Stephen found the coursework almost too easy. He'd breeze through assignments, often working just an hour a day. Instead, he focused on rowing, an intense sport that sharpened his competitive spirit. Yet, beneath this seemingly carefree life, trouble was brewing. Stephen's body began betraying him. He became clumsier, often tripping or dropping things. These signs were subtle at first, but they'd soon herald a life-altering diagnosis. At 21, during his PhD studies at Cambridge, Stephen was diagnosed with ALS, or Lou Gehrig's disease. Doctors gave him just 2 years to live. Can you imagine receiving such devastating news at the brink of your dreams? But Stephen Hawking defied the odds. He didn't just survive, he thrived. With the support of his family and his then-girlfriend Jane Wilde, Stephen redirected his focus. If time was limited, he would dedicate it to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. His first major breakthrough: the discovery that black holes aren't entirely black. Using quantum mechanics, Stephen proposed that black holes emit radiation, now famously known as Hawking radiation. This shook the scientific world, as it blended Einstein's theory of relativity with quantum physics, a feat few dared to attempt. Think of it like this: imagine pouring water in quantum mechanics into an oil pool in relativity. These two don't mix easily, yet Hawking found a way to bridge them in the most extreme environments: black holes. As Stephen's disease progressed, he lost the ability to walk and, eventually, to speak. But even here, technology became his ally. Thanks to a groundbreaking communication device, Stephen could express his thoughts using a single cheek muscle. And let's not forget that signature robotic voice. Did you know he could have upgraded it? But he didn't. Stephen said it became part of his identity, a voice the world recognized instantly. Beyond the equations and theories, Stephen Hawking became a cultural icon. His book, A Brief History of Time, brought complex scientific ideas to the masses, selling over 25 million copies. And who could forget his guest appearances on shows like The Simpsons and The Big Bang Theory? He had a wit sharper than a comet's tail, often joking about his theory of everything or poking fun at himself. He showed the world that even the most brilliant scientists can have a sense of humor. Stephen Hawking passed away on March 14, 2018, a date that coincided with Einstein's birthday. It's poetic, isn't it? A mind like his, leaving a legacy as vast as the universe he studied. But his story doesn't end there. His work continues to inspire scientists and dreamers alike. And perhaps his greatest message to humanity was this: however difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. Stephen Hawking taught us to look up at the stars and not down at our feet, to wonder, to question, and to push the boundaries of what we know. So, the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember this. Even the most impossible seeming challenges can lead to the most extraordinary discoveries. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this story inspired you. Let's continue exploring the wonders of the universe together. Until next time, keep dreaming big.